Alright, so I chose this one. This is called mathaids.com. I chose this one because it's easy worksheets you can get for free, and they have a lot of cool worksheets, and you can edit what you want on the worksheets. It's pretty great. The purpose behind these, or goals, is basically to help you when you're needing just something else extra, where the kids are just not getting it, and you need just that little extra practice, where you give them a little bit of information and they work with that information to answer it. This is for teachers that need that little bit more information. We as teachers, my ISTE's standards are, we as teachers, we're learners. We learn from one another. We learn different ways we can teach, and this is a great way to broaden your horizon and have more options for the students to learn, and more opportunities for the students to learn. We're also leaders, so we lead the students to success. Leading them using this, we are leading them for more practice. We are facilitating them in the way that they can do this on Canvas, they can do it on Notability, they can use different apps to use these worksheets and do these worksheets. So if I go to mathaids.com, right, it's going to pop up there. So just go continue to the site, chosen. You're going to see this. So there's different things on the side. If you look over here, as addition, algebra, fact families, factors, flashcards, fractions, geometry, graph paper, just random things. But if none of those fit yours, up here in the corner, you can search something. So if I was doing prime factorization like my last video, I looked up prime factorization, see what comes up. Come up with a couple different things. Scroll down to where it says Math Aids right here. That will get you to different worksheets using Math Aids. So then you get here, and then it's going to be great because it can be numbers not greater than that. You get to change what numbers. You get to change how many problems. Language, if that's a barrier. So answer sheet, so if you want the answers and you don't want to do them yourself, it'll have an answer sheet. So then you push create it. Then it will create a custom worksheet where the students have to list the prime factorization of each of them. So I did 15, and then it will have your answers. So all you'd have to do is go over it, download it, and then pick where you want to save it, click where you want to save it, push save. So this website is super simple to use. You just Google the different things, then you can go back to home once, if you're done with that one and you want to find something else. Go back to home. And then once you get back to home, you can either Google it again, or you can use the different things on the sides if you want. There's so many different options with this website. It's great. It has so many different math worksheets that it almost has everything you could even imagine. So this is mathaids.com. It is a great website to use, and it's free. So thank you.